Learning new skill or making money with AI is not really hard. You are just the one that has not been actually investing in learning. All right, today I'm going to walk you through on how to optimize your prompts using AI, and that is using AI to learn and grow version 2, or let me say episode 2. In the previous video, which I tagged episode 1, we talked about different ways you can use AI. All right, today I'm going to just stick with ChatGPT and DeepSeek, and we'll look at different way we can use these two AI to actually make things easier for us, working smarter. All right, the first thing you want to do is to go to ChatGPT. Let's say, for example, you have an idea you want to generate and you don't know how to prompt AI, right? Look at what you have to start with is start with this first line. Act as a professional prompt engineer, review the prompts below, and optimize it for better results. Feel free to ask me questions to help rephrase my prompts. Alright, in today's video, we want to look at how to create a blog post. One of the ways you can actually earn money online is through blogging, and it's absolutely easy for anybody to actually start blogging. All you just need is to get a domain and to actually get a hosting. I have a link in the video description where you can actually buy domain and hosting, and you can get started from here. Alright, so now this is my prompt I have for AI. I want to create a blog on how to work from home, targeting users across the world that wants to work from home. That is my simple instruction. It's just like a basic English. So now with my prompt, what I've started with, I have instructed ChatGPT to act as a professional prompt engineer. And so it's asking me these questions. What are my target audience, my content focus, tone and style, SEO strategy, and monetization goal? So once I'm able to supply these answers, which I have supplied here, then it will give me a optimized version of my prompt. You can see I want to create a professional whatever. This is an optimized version. So I'll just do is copy this optimized version, and I can decide to even post it here at the same time. But for now, I won't do that. I'll just click on this pencil icon here, and I'll just paste that prompt there, and you'll see the magic of what will happen in just few seconds. All right, let's see how ChatGPT gets to solve this issue for us. All right, so you can see it has begun to generate the structure of my blog for me. Remote career opportunity, freelancing and side hustles, productivity and all of that. My SEO strategy, highest paying work from home jobs in 2025, best remote job site for 2025, how to stay productive working from home, and it has given me a lot. So you can see. So now let's take Venture. I want him to generate this for me, the content for this. All I just have to do is copy this and click on paste. Well, before we do that, let's head back to DeepSeek also and see how we can use DeepSeek to also get same results using the modify or the optimized version of our prompt. So just hit on enter button. So I want to see what this gives us. So while DeepSeek is actually loading to give us its reply, let's head back to ChatGPT and copy this and say write a fully SEO optimized blog on, so the topic you have chosen this, and hit the enter button. Then it start performing the magic for you. It start with the title, it start with the introduction, and it start with the, you can see we have the title, the meta description. This is what we show when user gets to see your blog on search engine, and you can see it has started generating this blog for us. So this is the introduction, and this is the title of our blog. This is the meta description, and you can see this has started generating a lot for us. And you can see how to land the high paying remote job. You can see this is actually going amazing, and this is the conclusion. So in just less than 30 seconds, AI has generated a fully optimized SEO blog post for us. You can see. Now let's head back to DeepSeek and see what that gives us. Okay, now let's go to the top and see what this gives us. It gives us a blog title suggestion, work from home mastery, career opportunities, and all of that. Professionally, your blog title is not supposed to be too long, but let's just keep on going with this. What are the target audience, beginners, and all of that. Blog structure, briefly introduce the growing trend on remote work, highlight the benefits, mention wherever, and you can see it has given us all the breakdown and all of this. Okay, you can see weekly blog posts and whatever, and let's just say this and say give me 5 blog ideas connected to this. Okay, let's see what this gives us also. Top 10 high paying work from home job in 2024, no experience needed. It's breaking each of them down to how we can actually optimize it, the ultimate remote job work, and all of that. So let me just scroll up and see the ultimate remote job and remote work tech setup, and you can see we have many of them, and it's even writing out each area on how we can improve those blog posts. So let's just go on and see, and this is the fifth one. So peradventure you wanted to write on any of them, you just copy the title and tell it to write on that particular one, just like we have instructed ChatGPT to do that for us. So to make this easy, all you just have to do is click on this copy, paste it to your website, and before you know it, you have loads of people visiting your website. And if you have added the Google AdSense or Adstera, Monetag, or any of those monetization ads company to your website, you start making money from the traffic that you generate to your website. And that is one of the ways to easily make money from your website without having to think of what am I going to write today as a blogger, what content do I have to post, and all of that. So if you find this very helpful, please smash the like button. If you are yet to subscribe, please smash the subscribe button. So in the next video, I'm going to be creating another video on how to make $50 or more with AI per month, just working at your own leisure time without having to break the bank. All right, thank you, and do have a wonderful time. Bye.